Yeah, the other day I was in a spirited debate with a Eurocentrist who made a comment about the internet and the white man and how great the white man was and how the white man is responsible for everything. The white man is behind everything and nothing would exist were it not for the white man, and anything that's ever been done was done by a white man, and people, regardless of where it might be, whether it's in Africa or whether it is in Europe or whether it is in North America. And user interface. He is an engineer by training, and he has more than 25 years of experience in the IT industry, all of it with IBM, where he has been central to design of a wide range of IBM computers. Dr. Mark Dean played a leading role in the development of the personal computer, which has spearheaded the technological revolution in education industry and every facet of modern life. Dr. Mark Dean, obviously, is a Negro. He was a member of an IBM research team to develop a more effective desktop computer, which ultimately became known as the IBM PC. Dr. Dean and his colleague, Dennis Miller, created the interior architecture allowing the computer to share information with peripheral devices such as disk drives, printers, and scanners. Now, although this development helped place the power of the personal computer at the disposal of every business and home, Dr. Dean did not stop there. Instead, he moved on to develop the PC-AT. I don't know if any of you remember that, but that goes back to quite some time if you've been around like I have. The PC-AT, AT stands for Advanced Technology, which defined the industry standard architecture for most personal computers used today. He went on to develop that himself. Dr. Dean is also responsible for leading the team that developed the first 1 gigahertz microprocessor chip at his Austin research lab. Dr. Dean holds 3 of the original patents on which the PC, the personal computer, is based, and he has a total of more than 30 patents pending. In 1995, he was named an IBM Fellow. He became the first African American to achieve this honor, which is held by only 50 employees of the current workforce of 200,000. In 1997, Dr. Dean, along with his co-inventor, Dennis Miller, was inducted into the National Inventors Hall of Fame, where he joined 2 other eminent black members, George Washington Carver and Dr. Percy Julian. Most inventors do not make it to the Hall of Fame. During his 20-year career, he has held a number of engineering positions in the field of computer science, hardware architecture, and design. And he is currently Vice President of Systems in IBM Research and is responsible